We're officially over a week into the month of July, and summer seems to be moving on by quickly. And we are talking about another summer heat wave that is building, as the first part of July has been staying on the cooler side, as our average temperature is nearly 4 degrees below normal. Much of the state has been battling some cooler than normal temperatures, as well as some areas of some active weather when it came down to some thunderstorm chances, some stronger wind systems, some cloudier skies. We haven't brought in significant precipitation here in Cheyenne, and we need it. We have that severe drought. So with that deficit building and noting that we have a warm and dry forecast in the next 7 days and the potential of more of these warm conditions in our 10-day outlook pushing in, we'll have to keep an eye on those dry conditions. So we are seeing, though, as we roll into this week after ending up the weekend cool, there is this warming trend that's taking hold, and it's expected to last through at least the middle, if not the end of July. Now, pairing up with that, at least for the next week we have ahead for us, it is expected to be dry. In that 6 to 10 day outlook, there is some slight potential there. That southern portion of Wyoming tries to show some slight increase into precipitation, but we need definitely some efficient rains, and that is not in our extended forecast. So it's something we will continue to monitor as through this week. It is all about the warming sunshine. There's very, very limited thunder risk. There may be some small chances by the weekend, but what we're also seeing by the weekend is that we are nearing some records, may even start to do that as early as Thursday, Friday. And then pairing up with that, as mentioned, with those dry soil conditions, we do have fire concerns, as there will be at least some slight increase to the winds with some of that warming as well. But here as we head into our Tuesday, still a pretty quiet day, very still similar to what we had for our Monday. Sunshine around, temperatures definitely still trying to take that warming edge, and we will have that potential of even heading back into those mid 80s. So looking at striving for more of that seasonal high temperature as we hit those lower 80s, as we really haven't seen much for seasonal temperatures for that first full really week of July. And even seeing temperatures holding into the 60s on on Sunday makes for this Tuesday or Monday and Tuesday to feel warmer, even as some 90s are back in place. Now, as we go from our Tuesday into our Wednesday, we see the gradual push of those temperatures to climb at least by a few degrees. And we continue to take hold of that even here as we head into our Thursday. Thursday is going to be the really first big heat day, as where we see our first triple digit across the local area in the Torrington region, Scottsbluff even at 99, Cheyenne at 92, and Casper at 97 degrees. We will see that those big heat numbers will at least last into that weekend forecast. What we will be watching over the weekend is if a short wave that is sliding on by will be able to bring enough moisture to the area to limit the fire risk, but bring the potential of some thunderstorms across the region, which would help to moderate some of those warm temperatures. But at least for the time being, try to find ways to beat the heat.